Debate Part 2, Full Stack versus Backend. Best of luck, Dev.
Thanks, Chandrakant. So, let's start with backend developer topic, some points we discussed in previous videos, but now we'll see how backend developer is different from full stack developer. We are responsible to do data integrity, storage and retrieval from things, like databases and file storage, responsible for exposing data to other systems or application modules. Traditionally in SaaS this is done via endpoints, and APIs are often responsible for making sure the system will run in a stable state for extended periods of time. For example, cleaning up temporary data, writing log files and sending alarm notifications, typically responsible for the performance of the system and perhaps scalability and redundancy if appropriate.
Dude, we can do that too.
I know that. Full stack are capable of performing backend jobs, but they tend to be lack of expertise. I know, Mr. Chandrakant, many companies prefer full stack as they need to hire less employees if they hire to full stack. But companies who want Excel and serious about security database and want to hire special person for it, they will prefer backend.
Dev, it's nothing like that. Full stack are developer who know both and have experience of building application from scratch.
Mr. Chandrakant, take chill pill, and now Mr. Chandrakant will tell about full stack developer.
As the line between what can be done on the front end versus the back end becomes more and more similar, and as things that were previously only possible on the back end become possible on the front end, more developers are becoming what we call full stack. A lot of employers, especially agencies who work on different kinds of sites, are looking for developers who know how to work on all the parts of a site, so they can use the best tools for the job regardless of whether it's technically front end or back end. Now, contrary to what a lot of people think, full stack doesn't necessarily mean a developer is actually writing all of a site's code themselves. Many full stack developers spend the majority of their time on either the front or back end code of a site. But the point is that they know enough about the code across the entire stack that they can dive in anywhere if needed. And some full stack developers decode entire websites, including both the front and back ends, but usually only if they are working freelance or are the only developer working on a project. Now I will tell one interesting thing about full stack developer. The great thing about learning web development is that it's always changing, so even if you do choose an area, chances are that within a few years what it means to be a front-end or back-end developer will radically change. Learning both front and back-end languages is a great way to make yourself a more valuable, forward-thinking, and versatile developer, because it's not likely that you will actually be able to focus exclusively on one or the other. What's your future, Dev, as a back-end?
Artificial intelligence and data science is my future.
Great choice, Dev.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon